Hello, my name is Lilibet Franco Rincón, Touch Free Consonant and Vowel Sound, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. IPA alphabet. This means the International Phonetic Alphabet. Vowel sounds in English. E, sheep. O, and for example, good. And oo, and for example, should. E, and for example, bed. E, teacher. For example, bear or door. Ah, for example, cat. Ah, and for example, up. Are, far. Oh, for example, on. Here. I, and for example, white. Ua, and for example, twice. Oi, and for example, boy. Oh, and for example, show. Ea, hair. I, and for example, my. Ow, and for example, cow. Consonant sounds in English. P, for example, P. B, for example, boat. T, for example, tea. Do, dog. Ch, for example, cheese. G, for example, June. K, K, for example, car. G, for example, go. Fly. Mm, for example, video. Video. S, think. Z, for example, this. See. Sh, for example, shall. G, And for example, television. Mm. And for example, men. Mm. Now. Mm. And for example, sing, sing. Ha, ha. And for example, hot. L. And for example, love. Wow. For example, red. And k. And for example, get. He. And for example, yes. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.